Hey, so we're back here in the vesting sacristy for our servers. Last week we talked about some of the vestments that the servers wear, the albs, the cassock and all, and we got some questions about, tell us more about the servers and what they do and how we can maybe even help out to serve at Mass. And so I want to talk to you about the different servers. This week we'll talk about the adult servers that we have, the adult server and the acolyte. And the next week, we'll talk about the positions for the youth servers, the master of ceremonies and the altar server. So the adult server, right, is male or female, and they help support all of the functions during the Mass. They help with the altar servers and guiding them. They are usually responsible for setting up the missal, the book that has all of our prayers in it, and they help coordinate things during the Mass. The acolyte is a male-only position. The acolyte, his main responsibility is to purify the vessels, is to clean the vessels after communion. He's also the one that'll approach the tabernacle and bring the communion back there. The acolyte is only men. It's installed by the bishop. They go through training in the diocese. If you're interested in either of these two ministries, call the office. There is an application process to be an acolyte. We can get you started next week to be an adult server.